Here for you. These are actually both the same species, but one was fresh today and the other was picked
8 months ago
and has been drying ever since.
Yeah.
So, look, lichens, they have a very poor vascular system, like no specialized vascular systems at all. This means that when it rains, they just soak up whatever water or whatever else is around. When it's dry, they lose all their water. To be able to survive this sort of a desiccation, they've developed the ability to become dormant for very long periods of time. In one particular case, it is known that they can, one particular species is known that can survive up to 8 years in a dormant state and then start to photosynthesize again as soon as it's gotten water.
Okay. So they'll also excrete acids, which make microholes, which allows them to extend threads called hyphae, and this allows them to stay in one place so they won't move.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
So they excrete acid.
Yeah.
This makes microholes. So then they'll grow their hyphae, which are thread-like, and this allows them to stay in one place.
Actually, if you want to
you can see the hairy stuff on the
Yeah,
bottom.
you can see the hair on this one here.
This is a fresh one. You can see underneath. Like a bottom parts, you can see the hair. That's like you're gonna stuck on the micro holes.
Like little hairs on there.
Yeah.
Alright, they're also a good bioindicator for air pollution because they don't have a centralized place for gas exchange. They just exchange gas with their surface. So, yeah, they're really sensitive to air pollution. So you don't find them in like cities that are really heavily polluted, as opposed to like here.
Do you think can they survive for the acid rain too?
What?
Acid rain?
Probably not. You know,
Maybe
if the
not.
acid in the polluted air is enough to kill them, then probably acid rain would.
Air
Like they get acid
pollution.
rain.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's particularly the acid in the pollution that is bad for them because they absorb the acid across their entire body.
Which just destroys them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they also did an example of this one. She talked about this tree, which is the red alder, which the lichens will live in, but they only do this in nature. They won't do this in the city because the city has the pollution.
So when you see a red alder in nature, it's got a white bark, and that's actually, the white is from the lichen itself. Whereas in the cities, the red alder, the lichen can't survive on it, and they've got this deep red bark instead.
And that's everything.
Do you have any question? I can make it up.
Yeah, I have a question. Why did you go running?
They found a mushroom.
Yeah, he was very excited. He wants to be the mushroom king.
No. Kyle needs that stuff. That's why I just passed to him.
Okay.
Yeah. It's just like a kind of sponge, like a pure sponge. You can live in like a pure air, but if you know, you're gonna die. I'll be like a suck up baby.
I'm hungry.
Do you want to try?
You want to eat a lichen?
I can find the mushroom somewhere.
Find me some seaweed.